This is my Boxford lathe, which we love. It is now converted to CNC, and all we did really was bought a manual off the internet, made a couple of attachments for the lathe, and now we're on CNC. All you do is remove these two items, one from the cross slide and one from the lead screw, fit on the attachments, and you've got the lathe is now capable of running manually on CNC or auto. Did a program in Kanban, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to load the program. I'll do that one. Open. Right now, you can see now it's showing the enemy bar, and it's got a small cutout which I'm going to start. I'm roughing this first one. Right, okay, now straighten the end off. I'm going to run a part on a program now on CNC on the conversion. So first of all, switch my box on. Okay, now my box is on. Click. Oh, you got to press your reset, because it will need resetting after you switch it back on. Okay, we're reset now. Home all. There it goes. You can hear it, it's actually homing itself now. And if you look onto the screen, 00, it's in the home position. So we'll alter our material up to the home position where we want it. Okay, nicely done. We now got it in the home position where we want it, and we're going to start as runner's program now to at the moment I'm running a program, as you can see from the screen. Okay, start my cycle. You can see turning my wheel now. It's on fully automatic now. Sounds like I need my tool changing on the machine, of course. You can see now as I take the machine away, from the homing position, go back, so home all, and back it comes. Go. You see where it's taking bits off. You can read down the screen Z equals 0, now it's going to X 11.6. See it feeding down. See, it's now running. Here's my Boxford lathe. Don't watch, it's going on its own. Any help from me. Happily going on its own, phoning the end. To convert the lathe back to manual now takes 1 second. Just twitch off the switch. Where's the switch? There's the switch on the box. Turn it off, and now the lathe is back to using it manually with all the controls at all. There's no alteration to the lathe. The CNC attachments can be just removed in quarter of an hour and the lathe put back to normal. There's no drilling of the lathe, no adjusting, no taking off the bits. There's just them two little pieces to take off. The attachments fit straight on and they can come on and off in 10 minutes, but there's no need to do that now, because if I want to switch it back onto manual lathe, I just switch off the CNC box and I'm back onto manual, switch it back on and I'm back onto CNC, which I can use the CNC manually through the buttons on the keyboard, these buttons, or I can load a program onto Mach 3. I'm using Mach 3 with it. Mach 3 is dead easy to connect up with. The instructions on the manual show exactly where to put all the connections of the wires. Very simple. Shows you how to build the box. This is the CNC box. Shows you the construction of it, what to put inside, where to put the wires, and it shows you totally what to do to build the two attachments. There's one, there's my other attachment, just fits onto the lathe, connects on, no problem at all. Right, we'll now go on to showing you what I can do now with the lathe now, and I'll start turning some off and show you I can use it manually or otherwise. Pressing feed hold, there, the second one, stops the tool and the program for a second, and then I'll stop the machine and it gives me a chance to change my tip if I want round. Okie dokie. Then once I've done that, start it up again. Press cycle start again, and off it goes. So you see you've got time to change tip round if you feel you've got one that isn't cutting properly, and now she's off again. You see, there she goes, fully automatic. Sounds a bit sweeter now with the chip change round. Right, this is semi-automatic control. We're going to use the MDI line, which is, we're going to put little programs, little instructions you might say, on this line. You can see I'm putting like GO, which tells it to go straight ahead, and I put Z minus 5, Z10, depending which way you want it. 10's to the right, minus 10 is to the left. You can do it 0 position, so wherever it is at the moment, you can see it knows it's 0. So we'll switch on the lathe. Now here's my tool tip. At this moment it's on 0. So if I tell it on this GO Z minus 5, so at the moment it's on 0, so Z minus 5, if I click enter, now it's going to Z minus 5. So if I tell it now, if I click on Z0, press enter, now it will go back to 0. I am now homing my lathe. I'm doing my connected my point onto a centre pin. There's probably better ways, but so that I can tell the machine to set the homes. I'm going to set it at these positions. The lathe is now capable of running manually on CNC or auto. Okay, here we are again on semi-automatic. Got the tool set. Look, what we're saying is X equals 0.2. So if I draw in input G or X, we'll put it to minus 0.3. Enter, and it's gone to 0.3. So now the tool's gone in by 0.1 of a millimetre. So now we'll tell it Z. Oh no, get it right. G O space Z minus 25. I'm telling it to move minus 25 in towards the chuck. Press enter. Here it comes, and it's now removing 0.1. There it goes, very nice. Till it gets to 25, and then it'll stop. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to tell it to go to Z0. Press that. There she goes. She's gone back. There she goes back. Okay. Now we know as X is minus